Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by grabbing 3 clear references, palm, side, and top, so your poses match anatomy. Once done, select a workflow, a rigged hand or a simple bone chain with IK/FK. Choose what matches your deadline. Next, block the main shapes, place the wrist, define the palm, and lay out 5 finger chains. Set your first key at the neutral pose and a second key for the overall gesture. This gets your silhouette right before you commit to timing. You now focus on timing and motion. Start by placing 3 core keys: contact, passing, and settle. Space them to define speed. Then create in-between keys that preserve smooth arcs for each finger, rotate joints in a natural order, and check parent constraints so fingers don't collapse. Animate the thumb on its own rhythm, offsetting its movement by 2 to 4 frames for believable follow-through. Make sure to step through the animation at playback speed and tweak extremes before smoothing curves. Finish by polishing motion in the graph editor. Ease tangents where a grip softens and tighten them for quick snaps. Add subtle palm rotation and tiny skin slide offsets so the hand reads as layered anatomy. Overlap finger timings by a few frames to avoid mechanical movement. Once smooth, produce a play blast and test in context. If you see jitter or popping, check for step tangents, inconsistent bone scales, or accidental double keys. Fixing those resolves most final issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.